Damn, I did. Oh, I like this.
You are that bitch. Hey my loves, welcome back to a new vlog. It's a new week, so we're starting this week fresh. Today is Sunday. I'm here to announce that I am now a final year medical student. I'm currently having my rotations in the pediatrics department. I'm moving to a new apartment, finally my own space, because I currently live in a shared space. So I'm excited. It's just gonna be a whole lot. I hope it's gonna be a productive week. It has to be, because bro, I have so much shit to do. But yeah, let me stop rambling and let's get right into this vlog. Yes, yes. Let's go get my blush and my nails done. No? Okay. For daytime. It's moving day, so what do you have to say?
I'm so happy. I'm so fucking tired of living with people. I can't wait. I'm so tired.
Guys, we have a whole lot of stuff, man. Too much. Too much. Fully moved in now, and it's about time to start putting things away. So let's get to work. Let's get to work.
Like 4 hours into cleaning, into unpacking. Yeah. So far, I'm done with my kitchen and the living room, and I'm about to move to my room. I'm not vlogging a lot because like I'm trying to actually get it done. I want to finish like tomorrow. So yeah, current time 10 p.m. Let's see what time I'm gonna check back in with you guys. So see you in a bit.
Hi guys, so it's currently like past 12 and I was able to do something. So I'm gonna sign out now and I will see you tomorrow when I continue. I was able to finish the kitchen and the living room, so the only thing left is my bedroom. We tackle that tomorrow. Bye.
So it finishes on time. I don't like the same food.
Banana.
Just one.
finally done. It's not perfect. The point was never for it to be perfect, but yeah, it is folded. Yay! To Ikea already. I want to buy a bathroom holder, a plant for my living room, like some other field tidbits. Doesn't have any smell. Oh, I like this. This is a pink, but they have no smell. It's just cute. I feel like I've been able to get majority of things I want, so I'm not mad about it. I haven't decided on a plant yet, so that will be the last thing. Safe to say it was pretty successful. I'm going to go home and set up everything. I also have my girlfriend days flowers and I really don't want to throw them away, so I had a frame for them before but they broke, so I'm going to reframe them now. Although I got a smaller frame because I just feel like I probably would have lots of these things, so it only makes sense to put them small because I'm not gonna throw them away. The bathroom still looks a little too plain, so I feel like it's smarter to add some decor, not too much though. I'm going to use this for like that instead of like soap and stuff. My sister's room. I just want to help her fix this light and I have to climb up. Maybe I'm not going to shock myself. Guys, so we we've come to Riviera to get lunch today. It's like a proper sunny day, which we are all really excited about. The weather looks so nice. So hopefully we find a nice restaurant to get something to eat. And yeah, that's it. Let's go. You have a problem. Hi my loves, just came on here to say that I think I finally added all the tidbits I initially wanted. So except if I decide to change my mind again and then do another decor. But for now, the room is more or less perfect to what I wanted. So I'm just gonna show you guys my room now. I have my full-length mirror. I need to stay here and observe myself every day and be telling myself, you are that bitch, you are that girl, you are it. This candle, my friend actually made a couple of them for me, and I just feel like she's so sexy, you know, like come on. But yeah, my flowers, you know, words of motivation if you may, my lamp, my little side table, and of course girly pop things, my books, and my shoes. I currently have my makeup caddy here because I really didn't know where else to put them, but I think for now they work just fine where they are. Picture, 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 picture. So what do you think? I mean, it ain't much, but it's something. And of course my wardrobe with all my clothes. I can't lie guys, it has been a little scattered since we last arranged it, so I'm not showing that now. But this is what I'm currently working with. I tried to incorporate like my old designs from my old house because I still want it to feel like very familiar, not like I'm living in a new house, even though I am. And of course a lot of pink elements like the flowers and stuff. I think I might add more things later in the future, I'm not sure. But yes, let's move on to the living room. I'll show you what the living room also finally looks like. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me for what seemed to be this chaotic week, even though I'm signing out the week later after it's passed, but like you get the gist. Thank you for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed my little passion project. Let me know what you think. If you have some ideas, share them with me. I don't mind. I'm very open to suggestions. And like I said, thank you guys for sticking with me. Please don't forget to like, drop a comment down below, subscribe. Don't be one of those people that you just watch and not subscribe. That is what they call monitoring spirits. Don't be a monitoring spirit. As you watch the video, just subscribe, okay? I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.